Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFII token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel. But recently, YFII token has broken down the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see we broke out the neckline here, but now we have again broke it down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of YFII token that I shared from my members a few days back. Not few days back, in the month of August 2022. That was a harmonic bullish reversal shark move that YFII formed on the daily time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was moving at $955. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very big pump. That was, by the way, more than 400% pump on this daily time frame chart. Before that, I shared this Gartley pattern. That was also at the start of August 2022, and if I play this chart, then you can see that was another very nice pump, and after hitting the sell targets on, the price line again moved down. Before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move, and if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line from $2,500 rallied up to here approximately $4,700. That was more than 89% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we have been watching this down channel, and I have been telling you that once the price line will break out this resistance of the channel, then we can expect a very big pump. We can see we had a big spike here, but it was rejected by this resistance of $2,370 and moved down. We entered the same channel. We had another attempt. We broke out the channel, but re-entered the same channel after getting rejected by the same resistance of $2,370. This time, after the breakout, we had bigger pump, but you can see that the price line could not break out this resistance. Even though we had a closing, you can, by the way, watch the closing price here. The closing price of this weekly candlestick was at $372, $2 more than this resistance. But in the very next candlestick, the price line again moved down, rejected by this resistance of $2,370, and now it is moving down to test this key support of $1,150. You can see now we are very close to test this support. But during this move, we also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that now price line has broken down this neckline. That was the first defense line for YFII token, and that is broken down. If we watch on the daily time frame chart, then we can see that we have the closing below this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and that is broken down. By the way, this right shoulder is very important, because if the price line breaks out the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then normally traders use this level as their stop loss, or set their stop loss below than this level, because it works as a very strong support, especially in this situation when we have already formed a double bottom at this support. But right now, I would like to emphasize on this support of $1,150. If I switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see that we have just reached this support. So far we did not touch this support. Here you can see the low is $1,174, $1,180, and here recently on this candlestick we have a low of $1,175. So we are having a price accumulation above this support, and for example, if the price line will not break down this support, it tests this support and starts the reversal move from here, then it is possible then that it may break out this inverse head and shoulder pattern once again, the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern once again. But for example, if this support will be broken down, then our next support is here at $850. That is also the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and after that the price line can test the support of this the resistance of the previous channel as a support. But in my point of view, if this neckline, this right shoulder will be broken down, then the price line can re-enter the same channel like it was re-enter here, and it can even move more down to test the support of the channel. So far the price line did not break down this $1,150, we need to keep eye on this support. And for example, if this support will be broken down, then the situation can be more critical. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.